The 5 Kenyans and 2 Somali nationals betrayed no emotion as they were charged with assaulting police officers and damaging private property during Friday's violent protests outside Jamia Mosque. The clashes took place shortly after midday prayers against the deportation of a jailed Muslim cleric, Jamaican-born Abdallah Al-Faisal. For over 8 hours, police and members of the public fought pitched battles with the protesters in a battle in which police were outnumbered and outwitted. They denied the charges and were remanded until the trial. And after the violent protests, which left 1 dead and several others injured, including police officers, security forces last evening launched a crackdown in the sprawling suburbs of Isili. The swap netted at least 12 members of the Somalia Transitional Parliament, 3 of whom were charged in court this morning and released. Omar Hussein, a Somali refugee with 7 children, says he was arrested despite his papers being in order.
Yesterday, police raided my house and refused to accept my papers despite they were in order.
And the guests of Barakat Hotel were not spared either. Police are said to have gone from room to room demanding identification papers.
Then they ask every door they knock. They said, show us your document. I showed them my passport. Then after 2 hours they come back. Some people they took without, some people they don't have the document.
There was a raid here. There's some cops. They came and took some people from Barakat Hotel. I understand they are MPs from Somalia.
But some residents claim such raids will only fuel sympathy for radical groups such as Al-Shabaab.
If they want Al-Shabaab, there's no Al-Shabaab in Kenya, they should go to Somalia. Sio ambiwe samaki moja akioza na wote waoza. Kwa kuwa Msomali moja ni mbaya, ni Al-Shabaab na Somali wote watakuwa Al-Shabaab, sio.
Now every youth is talking about Al-Shabaab. They are creating another Osama without knowing. So they should come up with a civilized manner on how to tackle such issues.
But there were more pressing matters for the government tonight, with news that Somali-based terror group Al-Shabaab, while denying it was behind the protests, has praised those who took part in them. Peace may have been restored, but the situation is far from normal. Robert Magilla, NTV.